I'm Carly with Avid Armor, and today I'm going to show you how to marinate using our Cellar Series Reserve Chamber Vacuum Sealer. First, you're going to grab your marinating bucket that came with the sealer. Then you're going to place said meat or protein into the marinating bucket. Grab your marinade, pour it over. Once you have your marinade poured over your protein in the bucket, you can set the bucket into the chamber, technically with the notch facing backwards because it helps the bucket sit in there perfectly. So then you're going to close the lid, and to marinate you're going to use the canister function. So you're going to hit that canister button, it's going to say can, and then you're going to hold it down to set your time. And we recommend the highest setting, which is 99 seconds to get a full marinade. If you want to go a couple cycles, you can, and then you'll get an even better marination. So then you're going to hit the canister button again, and it's gonna say can, and then you're gonna hit the vacuum button. Apply pressure to make sure the vacuum engages, and then you're gonna see it start counting down. As the time starts counting down, you'll see that the meat inside and the actual marinade is going to start bubbling, which is a good thing. This is just showing that it's opening up the pores of the meat to better infuse it with the flavor of the marinade. Then when the cycle ends, as I mentioned, you can run it again if you would like, but otherwise, you have marinated meat.